Do you know IDFC First Bank's education loan offers the lowest interest rates, and without any collateral, it can cover both your tuition fees and living expenses. This makes it a great choice for students planning to study abroad. Therefore, if you can get your education loan approved from IDFC First Bank, you can focus fully on your education without worrying about the finances. In this video, I will share everything about securing an IDFC First Bank education loan and the top 5 secrets that will help you get it approved. Hey everyone, in this video, you will learn about the IDFC First Bank education loan and the top 5 secrets to secure your loan for studying abroad. First things first, the eligibility criteria for the education loan. Number 1, you should be an Indian citizen. Number 2, you need to have a letter of acceptance from a recognized university. Number 3, your GRE score and your academic achievements should be excellent. This even helps in lowering your interest rate. Every lender provides this. What's unique? Let's learn about its 5 unique features. First, they offer both secured and unsecured loan options. If you've got an asset to apply for a secured loan, if not, you can apply for an unsecured loan. Second, you can get up to 75 lakhs for studying in the US and 41 lakhs for studying in other countries. That's a significant amount to cover your expenses. Third, the loan covers tuition fees, living expenses, travel, and even insurance. Thus, everything you need to study abroad is covered. Fourth, you can go for the partial simple interest option. Therefore, you can customize the amount of monthly installments during the moratorium period, giving you more flexibility. Fifth, your GRE score can reduce your interest rate. So if you haven't already spent some time prepping for your GRE, it's worth it. Some students worry that their courses might not qualify for the education loans. However, IDFC First Bank offers education loans for many different programs. This includes bachelor's, master's, and PhD degrees, and even diplomas. IDFC First Bank categorizes the profile based on GRE scores. What are these 3 categories? The first category is Platinum. If the applicant has scored above 315 on the GRE, that means you're in the Platinum category. Second is Titanium, where the applicant's GRE scores are between 300 to 314. Third is Gold, where the applicant's GRE score is below 300. After the category is defined, the loan amount is decided on the basis of country. If you have applied for a US university and you fall under the Platinum category, then you can withdraw a maximum of 75 lakhs of the loan at an 11% interest rate. For the Titanium category, you can withdraw 60 lakhs of loans at an 11.50% of interest rate. If your loan category is Gold, you can withdraw an education loan of less than 49 lakhs at a 12.25% interest rate. However, the loan amount and the interest rate differ for Canada and other countries. For the Platinum category, you can withdraw 41 lakhs of loan amount at a 12% interest rate. However, for the Titanium category, you can withdraw 35 lakhs of the loan amount at 12.50% interest rate. And for the Gold category, the amount decreases to 29 lakhs at a 13.50 interest rate. Now that you know about the IDFC education loan, let's talk about the 5 secrets to getting your loan approved. Secret 1. Even if the GRE isn't required for admission, consider taking it anyway. Many lenders, including IDFC First Bank, consider it important. Secret 2. Make sure your co-applicant has a monthly income of at least Rs 35,000 per month. Secret 3. Arrange the processing fee, which is 1% of the loan amount, as you are required to deposit a check while applying for the education loan in the IDFC. Secret 4. Get your co-applicant's income tax returns for the last 2 years ready. This is required to create a clear financial profile. Secret 5. Showcase your strengths like a CIBIL score above 700, your co-applicant's income, and your academic performance. This could help you secure the full moratorium on the partial simple interest option during the moratorium period. Once everything is approved, the disbursement process is smooth and quick. IDFC First Bank sends the loan directly to the university's account, so you don't have to worry about any delays. Still feeling unsure about the loan process? No problem. Head over to the link in the description to check your loan eligibility with GyanDhan. This is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. As always, we are here to support your study abroad journey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more updates. and see you in the next video.